Hello, first grade. Welcome back to Tuesday. Today in phonics, remember that we are looking at end blends. And so we have a little bit of work to do to end blends today. Can you please go ahead and make sure you have this sheet out? It's page 73 at the bottom. If you have that out, that'd be awesome. The front side does say Tuesday. Read the sentences, and the back side, it has high frequency words on it that you're going to be working on. So we're going to look at this front side together right now. Make sure that name is on your paper. What we have to do today is we have to read the sentence and underline a word that has an end blend, and then we have to write the word in that space. Now, remember that an end blend is going to be two consonants that are right next to each other at the end of the word, and remember that both sounds are going to be heard in the word. So let's look at number one. Bob will send a box to Jan. If I'm looking at those words, I only see one word that has the two consonants at the end. And that's the word send. So I'm going to underline the word send because that's what it said to do. And then I'm going to write it on the line. S-E-N-D. And I'm actually going to ask you to go one step farther. Can you please, when you're done, go ahead and put a box around the end blend. Okay, we're going to take it one step farther. The box around the end blend. That's going to help you to see that and remember it. Number two, Pam did the best job. Pam did the best job. Did you hear the end blend? I did. The word is best. You're going to underline best. And now we need to write it on the line. B-E-S-T. And then remember, we said that our next job for each one is going to be to put a box around the end blend. You're putting a box around the ST. Number three, my dog likes to jump up. My dog likes to jump up. You hear that MP, don't you? And jump. Go ahead and write jump on the line after you underlined it. And then what's the end blend? The end blend is MP. So go ahead and put a box around MP. Very good. Number four, set the cup in the sink. Set the cup in the sink. You heard it, sink. Write it on the line, please. S-I-N-K. And what is the end blend that you need to put the box around? It's the NK, isn't it? Okay. Number five, I will go ask Dad. I will go ask Dad. Now, you're going to be tempted to put will. I know you will. It's not correct, though. It's not will. And why? Because the two L's just still make one sound. An end blend is going to have two different consonants that you hear both sounds. So the word has to be ask. So I'm going to write ask on the line. And then what am I going to have to put the box around? To put the box around the SK. And number six, I see a bug on the plant. I see a bug on the plant. Plant is your word. Go ahead and write it. And now you need to go ahead and put the box around. What is the box going around? NT. Okay, now go ahead and just flip to the back side for a second. I'm just going to explain to you what to do. This is the same kind of sheet that you've been doing every week. And so it should be no surprise to you. Obviously, go ahead and make sure that that name is on your paper. And then what you need to do is complete the sentence using one of the words from the box. I'm going to read the words that are in the box for you. These are your high frequency words. Remember that these high frequency words are considered high frequency or sight words because they don't always follow the rules of regular phonics. So that's why you have to just know these. You have to just memorize them. You need to practice them. You need to write them. You need to say them out loud as much as you can. Eat. E-A-T, eat. No. N-O, no. Of, O-F, of. Under, U-N-D-E-R, under. who. W-H-O. Who. What you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and put one word in each of those spots. Make sure to read the sentence. And then you have to write your own sentence using a word from the box. So one of these 5 words you're going to use at the bottom here to make your own sentence. When you are done with this backside, please go ahead and make sure that this gets back into your Tuesday folder.